Good afternoon, everyone. It's been about 2 hours since I've finished that all up, and we're going to do a cold start test. These motors are fairly new. Of course, this one's brand new. This one is pretty darn close to being new. We're going to do a cold start up of both of them. This is, of course, ready start. L-head motor. I'm going to try to start it in cold weather. These have not been warmed up, I assure you. There's the L-head warm up. Now what we're going to do is an OHV cold start. See it down there? Okay, here we go. Cold start. And idle. Instant shut off too. We got a brake on both of them. Of course, the difference is inside. Yep, that's right, valve cover, overhead valve. You guys are probably thinking this kid doesn't know a damn thing about engines, he just knows how to start them and brake them. Nope. Rebuilt at least 7 motors in my day, top to bottom. I've seen more than I could imagine. This is the tour, I guess you can call it. The cold startup of the beasts. Of course, the other new member of the family. Let's just take a look at this wonderful formula. Yeah, I bet it is. Well, thanks for watching again. Next garage. Thanks.